Today, Jalen had to be isolated because a classmate got COVID. Jalen, what did you do at home?
Make Play-Doh monsters.
You made Play-Doh monsters. Okay, and here Kyle is going to interview Jalen using the words, "What is this?"
What is this? This is Star Monster.
Yeah, these are star monsters.
What are these? What is this? This is Heart Monster.
This is a heart monster.
Then what is this? Cookie Monster.
Oh, Cookie Monster.
What is this? Pan Monster.
Pan Monster.
What is this? I don't know.
Spatula Monster.
What is this? Egg Monster. What is this? Plate Monster. What is this? Table.
And you can see it does have 4 little legs on it, so it is a table monster. Okay?
What is this? A sausage monster.
Sausage monster.
What is this? A carrot monster. What is this? How to say it? Refrigerator monster. Then what is this? Storm.
Yeah, which is your favorite one though?
This? The heart monster.
Which is your favorite monster, Kyle?
My favorite monster is the sausage monster.
How about Jalen? What's your favorite monster?
Sausage, table, and refrigerator.
For me, my favorite monster is the table monster. Okay, bye-bye.